My daily routines. Listen and practice. I wake up at 6 a.m. I wake up at 6 a.m. I turn off my alarm. I turn off my alarm. I brush my teeth. I brush my teeth. I take a shower. I take a shower. I get dressed. I get dressed. I comb my hair. I comb my hair. I eat breakfast. I eat breakfast. I have breakfast. I have breakfast. I go to school by bicycle. I go to school by bicycle. School starts at 9 a.m. School starts at 9 a.m. I study English. I study English. English is my favorite subject. English is my favorite subject. I always get very good marks. I always get very good marks. The school bell rings at 12 o'clock. The school bell rings at 12 o'clock. It is midday and lunchtime. It is midday and lunchtime. I have lunch with my friends. I have lunch with my friends. I finish school and go back home. I finish school and go back home. I study my lessons. I study my lessons. I play the video game. I play the video game. Then, I read a book. Then, I read a book. I go shopping. I go shopping. I go for a walk. I go for a walk. I clean the house. I clean the house. I cook dinner. I cook dinner. I enjoy dinner with my parents. I enjoy dinner with my parents. I wash the dishes. I wash the dishes. I iron the clothes. I iron the clothes. I feed the dog. I feed the dog. I practice the guitar before I sleep. I practice the guitar before I sleep. I make the bed. I make the bed. And then I fall in sleep at 9 p.m. And then I fall in sleep at 9 p.m.